So this is CAT 2023 slot 3. For some real numbers a and b, the system of equations x plus y equals to 4 and a plus 5x plus b square minus 15y is equals to 8b has infinitely many solutions for x and y. There is a shortcut to do this, or there is an approach to do this. Okay, learn the approach and everything will be very easy. Then the maximum possible value of AB. Whenever two system of equations has infinitely many solutions, this is how you have to write down the okay. So write down the equations first like this: x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0, a plus 5x plus b square minus 15 y minus 8b is equals to 0. What is the coefficient of x? 1. What is the coefficient of x over here? A plus 5. What is the coefficient of y? 1. What is the coefficient of y over here? B square minus 15. What is the constant? Minus 4. What is the constant over here? Minus 8b.
এখানটা 8b কি করে হলো?
এতে 8b তো আছে, এটা minus 4 by 8b. So a plus 5 is equals to 2b, or a minus 2b is equals to minus 5. Okay, so taking this one and this one, I got this. Now taking this one and this one, 1 by b square minus 15 is equals to minus 4 by minus 8b. Okay, so b square minus 15 is equals to 2b, or b square minus 2b minus 15 is equals to 0. 5 minus 3 b.
Sir, if we take first and second equation, then like b square equals to a plus 20 is coming.
Yeah, that is the reason why you need to take the first and the last equation. The reason is the last equation has more number of numbers in it. That is the reason why I have taken the first and the last. You can take the first and the second also. Some combinations will come up. Okay, I took the first and the
Then we
last.
can substitute the value.
Yes. The ultimate target is to find out the values of a and b. So b plus
স্যার আরেকবার একটু সামনের পার্টটা বলবেন, আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি ছিলাম না, আমার একটা কল আসছিল।
বললাম তো। Okay. For some real numbers a and b, the system of equations x plus y is equal to 4 and a plus 5x plus b square minus 15y is equal to 8 has infinitely many solutions. Okay. So infinitely many solutions means what will happen? X plus y. See, what you have to do is that whenever you have like this infinitely many solution, you have to put all the things on the left hand side. So x plus y minus 4 equals to 0. Then a plus 5x plus b square minus 15y, then 8b on the left hand side equals to 0. Okay, now what I am doing, just divide the coefficients of x from both the sides. So here in this equation the coefficient of x is 1, in this equation the coefficient of x is a plus 5. So 1 by a plus 5 is equals to, here the coefficient of y is 1 divided by here the coefficient of y is b square minus 15 equals to, here the coefficient of, here the constant is minus 4 divided by here the constant is minus 8b. Okay, 1 by a, so now 1 by a plus 5 is equals to 1 by 2b. Okay, if you simplify that, you get a minus 2b is minus 5. Now what I do, I take the second fraction and the third fraction. On further solving it, okay, I take the second one and the third one. Okay, on further solving it, what do we get? We get a quadratic equation.
আচ্ছা স্যার, এই জিনিসটা আমরা কখন করব? যখন আমাদেরকে বলে দেবে ইনফাইনাইটলি মেনি সলিউশনস, তখন?
Yes, when it is given infinitely many solutions, or when it is given has the same solution at that time.
আচ্ছা,
Okay.
ওকে স্যার।
এই জন্য এই অঙ্কটাকে সিলেক্ট করা। এটার জন্য আলাদা করে কোনো চ্যাপ্টার বা আলাদা করে কোনো টপিক বোঝানোর দরকার নেই, এটা একটা কনসেপ্ট যেটা মনে রাখতে হবে। ওকে, আন্ডারস্টুড ভাবনা, দীপাক্ষী, অনন্যা, what approach you should follow?
Yes, sir.
So see, I have got two
Yes,
values of,
sir.
yeah, you see I've got two values of b, that is -3 and -5, and also I got this equation of a and b, which is a is equals to -5 plus 2b. So just put the two values of b and get the two values of a. Okay, so we have got b as -3, b as -3 and 5, and a as minus.
Yes, and 5 and -3.
Okay, so now what will be the values of a? A is -5 plus 2b. What is b? B is -3, that is -6, and what is 5? 5 to the 10, so a is equals to 5. Okay, so this is when b is equals to -3, and this is when b is equals to 5. Okay, now what is given? Find out the maximum possible value of ab. So
33 হয়ে গেল না?
-3 into -11 is 33, and this one, if I take 5 into 5, is 25. So which is my maximum value? 33.
33.
33.
Okay, so you can understand, you just need to know this approach and how easy the sum will become.